Hi, I'm your VR girl. In this video, I will explain how there is no need for VR video to make fancy cinematography camera angles and movements. Because a VR video is natively immersive and you don't need to make all that fluff that seems thoughtfully unreal and choreographed, even fake. Just like my voice, LOL. You don't need all that catchy TikToky camera movements to be immersed inside the 2D image because our videos and content it is already in 3D stereoscopic. It is immersive and you just need a VR headset. Now that you know this info. In the realm of VR video, the beauty lies in its inherent immersive quality. Unlike traditional cinematography, where intricate camera angles and movements are crucial to guide the viewer's perspective, VR effortlessly places you in the experience. With a simple VR headset, you're transported into a 3D space where the environment surrounds you, allowing you to look around and engage with the content organically. This means you can focus on authentic storytelling and emotional connections rather than on elaborate camera tricks. The immersion is built into the very fabric of VR, making it a powerful medium for genuine connections. So, ditch the fluff and embrace the simplicity and depth that Elastica VR offers. Just put on that headset and let the experience unfold.